54. Read the sentence from paragraph 4. After collecting and analyzing the DNA in 800 samples of gray fur and wolf waste, researchers could produce hard biological evidence that sea wolves had genetic markers that made them distinct from the mainland wolves. The phrase hard biological evidence conveys that the goal of the research team was to... Let's go back up to paragraph 4. The sea wolves displayed not only physical and behavioral differences, but genetic variations from the mainland wolves. After collecting the DNA evidence, there was hard biological evidence. A genetic marker is a variation in DNA sequences that can be used to identify individuals or species. So they were using the DNA to identify the different species. That's the hard biological evidence. Okay, let's see what answer matches that. The goal of the research team was to develop a procedure in order to ensure their study yielded plentiful data? No. That's not the right idea. The hard biological evidence was that they used DNA to figure out the different species are, to identify them. That was the idea of paragraph 4. So F, seek definitive scientific proof of the number of wolf species present in the area. Yeah, there were 2 wolf species, at least that's what we think, and they wanted to definitively figure that out with hard evidence, that is DNA evidence, not just differences in sizes and behaviors. So this was a different kind of proof of 2 different species. Yeah, that is the idea of paragraph 4. I think that's going to be our right answer. In this case, definitive might seem extreme, but that's what they were seeking. They were seeking definitive. The DNA evidence probably provided as close to that as possible. G, conduct a study to evaluate multiple theories about the diets of different wolf species. No, they didn't care about multiple theories. It's nothing to do with paragraph 4. H, discover if the new data would provide information different from that of previous studies. There really weren't previous studies ever mentioned in the passage. That's not in passage. So that's not correct. The correct answer for 54 is F.